No, it's like,
Hey guys, so I went shopping, obviously. I picked up some old stuff, I picked up some stuff I've never used before, mainly stuff I've never used before. I haven't gone shopping for hair products in months, at least 6 months. Considering the number of hair products I have, it's stuff that I don't really need. Picked up some stuff that I typically use on a weekly basis or a day-to-day basis. You know, you get the gist. Sometimes it's just good to spoil yourself, you feel me? So I just started picking up stuff. I went to Ulta and Sally. I think the majority of the stuff came from Sally. And I was watching other YouTubers and I kept on seeing like some of the same products over and over and over. So some of these products I only picked up because I saw other YouTubers use them. I have no idea how they're gonna work on my hair. Maybe we can save that for another video. We're gonna start with Sally. I picked up mainly hair care product, but when I went to Ulta, I got some skincare stuff too that I will get into later. A spray bottle. Yeah, I know. I have like 3 spray bottles, but I lost one of them. I like to keep one for when I'm like mixing stuff because I don't like to use my Mr. spray bottle because that's too expensive to be clogging up with oil and mess like that. So I picked up a really cheap one. Disclaimer, I did not buy these, but I threw them in the bag anyway. These are the hair coloring paint wax things that were viral at the end of last year. I just wanted to ask you guys real quick, do you guys want me to do a YouTube video on how I use these, or you just want me to do like a 1-minute Instagram video? Because I feel like there are so many videos on them that it may be a waste of time doing like a full-length YouTube video when I can just show you like a 1-minute demo on Instagram. It's up to y'all. Next thing I picked up was the Shea Moisture curl enhancing smoothie. I just like to keep me a little bit of the curl enhancing smoothie on me, and I actually feel like Shea Moisture cheated me. It's not even filled up all the way, like it stops right here. Next up, I got the Main Choice Crystal Orchid Biotin Infused Styling Gel. I'm trying to re-up on gels because when I stopped using gels, I tried to go back to using gels just to find out that I really didn't have that many gels to choose from. The 2 gels that I picked up, hopefully they work pretty well, but this is the first one. It's the Main Choice. It smells a little bit like Eco Styler. I'm thinking my wash and go will turn out pretty well with this gel because right off the bat reminds me of Eco Styler. I got the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Treatment Mask. This stuff, my hair has been in need for some TLC lately. I will get into that later, but this is my all-time favorite, and it smells like a mixture of Play-Doh and like vanilla cake batter. I know, weird combination. I also got this Superfruits Healthy Hair Deep Conditioner. I don't know why I picked this up. I just saw it as I was walking out, and I do remember using this before in my hair. My wash and go after I used this was fire. I haven't used this in almost 3 years though, but I know this stuff smells really, really good, and a little goes a long way. So, and it was only like $2. So the AfroG 2-step protein treatment. In a previous video, I said that I was not gonna use it just because it is kind of messy, but that was the whole reason I'm picking up the spray bottle, because now what I'm gonna start doing is I'm gonna start pouring this into my spray bottle and spraying it into my hair, because I mean, y'all, this stuff is really, really good. I was just tripping. I always saw the Keratin 2-minute reconstructor. This is the next product I picked up. I always saw it, but I never picked it up. But when I was watching other videos of people using AfroG, they always use these 2 products together. I never did that. I just used this and I left it at that. But now I'm gonna start using the 2 together and see how that turns out. Okay, so the reason behind me picking up like so many masks, I have my Strength and Grow and Restore treatment mask, I have the AfroG protein mask, and I think this has keratin in it. Ever since I lightened my hair, I've only used protein like twice. Then I took a trip to Atlanta and then Louisville, and then I came back, and then it was just a lot of traveling. I never really got the opportunity to give my hair that TLC that it really needs, especially after you put chemicals in your hair. So it's been almost a month since my hair has had any sort of moisture mask, keratin, protein, so I don't really know how it still looks presentable at this point, but my wash and goes have not been turning out as good as they used to, you feel me? And it has to do with protein, because my hair feels like really, really mushy. Like my hair isn't dry, I feel like moisture and protein imbalance basically. I know what I'm trying to say, I just don't know how to describe it. Last product I picked up from Sally's is the As I Am curling jelly. Now I've seen this stuff like 4 times and I always open it and smell it. It smells so good, but then when I like feel the texture of it, it just doesn't, it never really impressed me. Like I thought it would have like a a really light hold. I don't know, something was telling me to finally buy it. It was like $22, which is a lot for a gel, but you do get a lot for your money. 16 fluid ounces. So what I got from Ulta, Not Your Mother's curl defining cream. This stuff has been hyped up for months. I've just been seeing it a lot on Instagram recently, and I meant to pick it up months ago, but I didn't. But now, since I actually need like styling creams because I'm running low on a lot of stuff, I decided, you know, I might as well. It's only $8. Regular elastic hair ties. I tried to do a slick back hairstyle. Like I tried to slip everything back into like a high puff. My Quilly scrunchies, they were just not doing it for me. So I need these for at least my slick back hairstyles, because the Quillys, they're not tight enough to make the style look as good as I wanted it to look. So that's why I picked these up. The next product that I got is the Diva Curl Wash Day Wonder. Yeah, I don't really have a justifiable reason as to why I purchased this. I mean, this is not really a necessity. Yeah, I think I just saw Diva Curl, and every single time I go to Ulta, I have to get Diva Curl something. So Diva Curl melts into, why is there hair on this? I got the Melt into Moisture, the matcha one, I think. Yeah, the matcha butter conditioning mask. I picked this up because a little goes a long way. It's super intense and it smells amazing. It's super expensive though. I also got my Diva Curl Build-Up Buster. I like to use this in substitution of my shampoos, because a lot of my shampoos, they cleanse the hair, but they do leave my hair feeling a little bit stripped. Even the ones that say they're supposed to moisturize the hair, it doesn't compare to the Build-Up Buster. So I got this. It smells like super glue, y'all. Okay, and then I got the detoxifying charcoal mask. I saw this on Instagram and it looked bomb, y'all. So that's the only reason I picked it up, because I saw it on Instagram and then I saw it on Ulta, and I was gonna pick up like 4 or 5 more of these, but they're like $3 or $4 a piece. This is not $3 or $4 worth, in my opinion. I haven't used it yet, so I don't know, but still. From Shea Moisture as well, I got the moisturizing jelly cream. This isn't a hair product, it's for the skin, but they sent me this before and I loved it so much. So I feel like cream moisturizers, they leave my skin a little oily because it over moisturizes the skin, but this is just right. And then the very last product that I picked up is the Green Coconut Activated Charcoal Exfoliating Hair Mud. That's not the full title, but I had to dumb it down because Shea Moisture's extra with titles. They sent me this whole line last year and I used just about everything except the hair mud. Initially, I gave this away to a friend. He got back with me and he said that this stuff is really, really good. I wouldn't know because I never used it, right? I was looking for products to purchase before I actually went into Ulta. And I kept on seeing this. For whatever reason, I kept on seeing this. And hella reviews. A lot of good reviews on this. And it's to exfoliate and treat oily roots and dry ends. I don't really have a justifiable reason as to why I purchased so many hair products. I did need some hair products, but not this money. You know, I want you guys to take a guess as to how much I actually spent. If you guys enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. If you guys want to see another video using some of these products, then, you know, comment down below. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these products. Aside from the products that you know I've used before, let me know what you guys think. So I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take your time.